These types of quiz channel are doing very well at this moment. People are getting views within short time. Anybody can make this type of video. And all these channels are monetized. They are making videos on different topics. Today I will show you how you can make general knowledge quiz. I'll use ChatGPT to make our content. Then we will make video by using Canva. So first open ChatGPT. I prepared a prompt to get my quiz list. You can use this prompt to get you content. Just use this prompt and get as much script as you need. For this tutorial I need 20 general knowledge questions. I need 3 options. Audience will guess the option from these 3 options. I need them in Excel sheet. So here is our content. Just copy them. Now paste it in Excel sheet. Now we need Canva for making our videos. So this is Canva dashboard. Here click on Create Design and search YouTube video. Then from the list click on YouTube video. Now we need video background. For video background first click on Elements and then search Spiral. Then from video option you will get lot of videos. From here just select one. I'm selecting this one. Now adjust it with the frame. It's a 30-second video. I'll make it 20-second by just cropping this way. You can change the video from this option. Now I need a rectangular shape. So just get one from Elements. Resize it and place it at the top. Now from this option you can change the color of the box. We will use this box for our question. Now duplicate the box from this option, place it in the middle and resize it. Now give a different color to this box. I'm selecting this one. Duplicate 2 more of this box and rearrange it. These boxes are for your options. Now we need a circle shape. So select one from Elements. Place and resize one for question. Now duplicate one circle for option and drag it here. Now give the circle a different color. Also give a color to its border. I'm using white color. Duplicate 2 more of this circle and place it for 2 options. Also change the border of this circle. And give it a color. I'm again making a duplicate of this shape. I'll use for it the answer. Place it somewhere else. Now from text option add a heading. Now go to Excel and copy the question. And paste it in this text box. Resize and place it in the box. Now add another text box. Go to Excel and copy the first option. Paste it in the text box. Place it now. Duplicate 2 more of it. Copy the second option. Paste it in the second text box. Copy the third option from the Excel. Paste it the third box. Now the answer. Copy it. Now paste it in this box. Now we will change the color. Go to Color. I am selecting black. Now click on Change All. It will change color of all the text of your video. Now text font. From this option, select your favorite font. Select Change All. So our font has been changed. We need few more text box. Just add one from text option. Give it a name like one and place it here. Now duplicate it and place it here. Rename it A. Give it a different color. I am selecting white. Duplicate it. Rename it B. Duplicate the text box again and rename it C. Also change this one's color. I am making it white. Now we will add a timer. From Elements, search Timer. Go to Video and select one from these options. I am selecting this one. Just reshape it like this way. Place it at the bottom. Now we will create group for each option. Just pressing Shift and select every element in it. Now click on Group. Do the same for the rest. Now animation. First select all options and the question. Click on Animate. Select any one format. I am selecting Fade. Now give animation to the answer. Selecting Pop for it. Also for the timer, I am selecting Pop Animation. Now we will adjust the timing. Select the question first. Right-click on it. Select Show Timing. I'll start the question from here. So bring the start point here. After a few moments, first option will come. After a few moments, second option will come. And after that, third option will come. After the third option, timer will come. So adjust and check it. Here timer will end. With the timer end, all three options will end at the exact same point. So select all three one by one and end them where timer ends. After that, the answer will come. So the answer will start from here. Now drag the answer in the middle. Now we will add few fireworks when the answer will appear. So from Elements, search fireworks. Click on graphics. Now select and drag one on the screen. It will appear when the answer will come. Let's reshape the fireworks a bit. When I dragged the answer, it went below an option. Let's bring it top from this layer option. Layer, bring to front. Now drag it in the middle. Check the video now. It's perfect. So our first video is ready. Now duplicate this page. We will just edit it now. First, drag the answer somewhere else. Now copy the second question from the Excel sheet. Now paste it here. Decrease the font size and adjust it. Now copy the first option. Go to the video. And place it here. Copy the second option. And place it here. Copy the third option. And paste it here. Now the answer. Copy the answer. Paste it now. Now drag the answer in the middle. Let's check the full video. So for the rest quiz questions, follow the same process. For the rest quizzes, it will take 1 minute for each. And you can make more than 100 within 2 to 3 hours. 3 months task within 3 hours. This option is for who don't have any Canva subscription. Who has Canva subscription, they can follow this process that I'm showing you now. Go to Apps. Search Bulk. Click on Create Bulk. Now select Enter Data manually. From the bottom, select Clear Table. Now go to the Excel sheet. Copy your questions. I am selecting 15 questions. Now paste it here. From the bottom, select Done. Now right-click on question number. Select Connect Data. Now select question number. Do the same thing for rest of the data. Just make sure you are connecting the right data in right point. Now connect question. Now the first option. Second option. Third option. And now the answer. Drag the answer in the middle. Got tick mark all of them. Now click Continue. Your all 15 pages will be done within a minute. But you must need to edit every single pages after finishing it. Editing means the font size especially. That's it. Hope this process will help you to make your content.